Hi, welcome to Drive with Care. Today I want to just take a little coastal drive. So we'll start in Folkestone, we'll head to Hythe, go along the Marine Parade, all of that kind of stuff. And I just think, what new hazards are we likely to encounter? I think when I do my drives lately, it's all about just getting out and doing the drive. And I tend to forget that actually I set the channel up to highlight hazard awareness, observation, use of indicators, all the correct ways to drive as far as I can present it, the correct way to drive. I make mistakes, we're not infallible, but unless you're doing your test, then, we will get away with the odd little blight. But it's remaining safe and keeping the road safe for other road users as well. It's not a racetrack and we don't own the roads. I like to think. I've got a giveaway and roundabout here. I will shout out everything that I see, I think. So we'll go up towards the Lees Cliff, go out onto the Sandgate Road, head down through Sandgate, Seabrook and Hythe. Relatively short drive, but it will be worth clocking all the hazards that we see. It's not sunny per se, as they say, but I need my sunnies on because it's a bit glary. And wearing sunglasses is appropriate if you're driving because, you want everything to be at its best, in terms of for you to be driving. Watching out for any doors opening. I have actually seen a few lately where I've been driving along and suddenly, whoosh, but never when I do a video. Right, we'll take a right here. I don't know what goes up. Oh, that probably goes up to the Grand and everything, doesn't it? I don't want to do that. We'll go down this way. Oh, mobility scooter. Saw it creeping out there just at the last minute. You've got these bins here, so difficult to see. Clear to my right. Car at junction. Got cars parked on the left here, forcing me to kind of weave, but we can manage that. We've got quite an acute crossroads up ahead. You can see the car sticking out. It is a stop junction if you're coming from that direction. So the white car there didn't stop, just decided to pull right across. Got leaf blower or street cleaner. Just watch out for any vehicles pulling wide to pass. Autumn is coming. They're sweeping up all the leaves. I wonder if autumn will be a long, lovely autumn where I can get out and do some photography, or whether it'll stay kind of greeny, bit brown, boom, all the leaves fall. That's usually what happens these last couple of years. Currently doing 28 in a 30, so it's all good. Crossroads ahead. Schools are out, or I say out, schools are back, so you get pupils walking around. A couple of sixth formers there probably. All dressed in civvies instead of school uniforms. Right, we're coming into Sandgate, down Sandgate Hill. Car at junction. is waiting. Car on the other side, pulling out. I'm not saying that's a bad thing, I'm just making us aware that it becomes a hazard, especially if they stop suddenly and they're halfway out the junction. It's all good and well to try and, I'm going to do it, I'm going to go for it, but imagine then stalling because you went for it. Have to weigh these things up. Car's parked on the left, got the white Volkswagen sticking out. Got a sneeze coming. Oh, excuse me. Allergic to Sandgate, obviously. No one at the crossing. Pedestrians. Bumpy road. Yeah, I think I'll go down Prince's Parade. I think that's what it's called, rather than the 30-mile-an-hour zone. Makes it a bit more pleasant, and I wanted to do a coastal drive. We're in a 30 zone. This is camera controlled area, but with the volume of traffic we won't be able to exceed 30 anyway. Currently doing about 26. Pedestrian in the road, door opening. No one at the crossing. Car manoeuvring into space, causing us to slow down and stop. He's getting his jag into the slot with his tail end sticking out. It's nice the way the sun is shining across the sea. There are patches of clear sky out there and the sun's beating down. But it is cold. It's currently 16 out there, but with the wind chill factor it probably feels like a 10, which ordinarily is warm, but because the sun is shrouded in the clouds, you don't get that burst of heat, do you? Right, we'll take a left just before the garage. Into a 40 zone. And I think, conscious that we'll be having a bit of giveaway here and there with oncoming traffic, even though there's enough room for 2 vehicles. And onto one of the bumpiest roads in Kent. Not as bad as Barham, I might add. But here we go. Train track road. All the guys out fishing, catch their supper. Why go to the supermarket when you can catch your own supper? Or is it just that it's a pastime, you know? You sit there and meditate and think about the world and the anticipation of a catch. I think I would find myself a bit bored, because my mind would always be saying, you've got something else you should be doing. That looks like a funky skateboard. Generates energy as you weave, which gives you forward motion. So this S-Max is aware that you've got car park spaces on the left, but it's not driving on them. It's sticking right out in the road. And ironically giving way to every vehicle when there's enough room for 2 cars to pass. I was uploading a video at Tesco this morning, and as I always do, I click on the little Windows widget that gives you like news and things you might be interested in. And there was one heading that said the one thing that marks you as a bad driver that you probably weren't aware of. I didn't open the article to look at it. Maybe I should have. I wonder what that one thing is. Is it lack of indication? Is it lack of awareness, your surroundings? Is it thinking that you have superiority on the road, ignoring everybody else? They're turning in, I'm pleased to say. Is it that you think you own the road? Get off my road! Where shall I stop in Hythe? Should we head down towards the train track? That might be a good idea. The Hythe, I've stopped there before, haven't I? So let's do that. Priority to oncoming vehicles. Nothing waiting, so I'll just go for it. Car gives way for me. Car coming in from junction. There's enough room for both of us. But she waited. And she smiled. Lovely smile as well. It's because I waved at her. Hello, darling, said Charlie Drake all those years ago. When I was a lad, these comedians were on telly. Pedestrian in the road, and we've got elderly people. There's an elderly person with her walking stick. Oh, how inconsiderate. Could have pulled over to the line and I could have squeezed out, but instead occupied the whole giveaway junction. And because of that manoeuvre, I had to wait at least a minute to get out of the junction. Because when you're crossing, you've got to wait for vehicles both ways. When you're just turning left, you only have to wait for the oncoming traffic. Maybe that's one of the reasons that makes you the worst driver of all. Inconsideration. No one waiting at the crossing. Let's be educated. I don't want to be the one saying, I'm here to educate you. I think I'm just saying, just everything has to be taken into account. Don't just put your blinkers on. Right, I'm in my car, I'm driving forward. Ignore everything else. Doesn't work like that. And it's a funny thing, I'm 62. If I relate this back to when I was a schoolboy, playing in the playground and stuff, these people have been around in my life ever since then. They were in the playground, they were in the classroom, the ones who thought they knew everything or were the head of their clique, you know, and it spews out into life. It's only those quiet ones in the classroom, like me, that eventually say, I've had enough, I'm not taking your nonsense or your anymore. But you never do that in school, do you? Let's pull up at the Romney Hythe Dymchurch Railway. It's a sweet little place with little trains. I was with Georgia in Dungeness on Wednesday. We did a photo shoot. I'll put a link here. But we caught one of these trains coming at the station at the end of the video. And the engineering in the things is amazing. It's a miniature, but it's the proper steam train, but in miniature. So all the mechanics work. Anyway, that was that. That was Folkestone to Hythe, with tons of whinging, lots of hazards, and lots of perception. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now. Drive with care.